Hello friend, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as you understand, I'm going to review good colleges outside of Bangalore. So in this series, I'm going to start with Alvas Institute of Engineering and Technology. A lot of students have requested to review Alvas Institute of Engineering and Technology for its MBA course, right? So Alvas is in an old and established college. You can see it started around 2008. So it's already there for last, almost 12 to 14 years. And it's one of NAC A plus accredited institute, which is quite good NAC accreditation standard. And from the address perspective, it is located very closely, and its area is called Moodbidiri. So it has got a very decent environment, in terms of campus. So good, auditorium you get here, good facilities in terms of learning environment, and health facilities in case you are living on the campus or you are, day boarding. There is a good amount of sports infrastructure which is available, and I will show some of the pictures here. And there is a good amount of gym facilities also. So every amenities in terms of student lives, like a good amount of hostel facilities, ATM, food cafeterias, and they do have a transportation, and it's a Wi-Fi enabled campus. So it's a good in terms of academic learning environment, and the IT lab picture. And this is one of the discussion rooms which you can see here. This is one of the picture of their library infrastructure, and this is the one of the open spaces which you can see in the campus. They do provide fitness centers, gym, and the innovation hub is also part of the academic environment, right? So, and campus life overall is also provided with good number of annual events. So now talking about the MBA's program specifically, right? So this is also affiliated to VTU, Vishwesvaraya Technological University, and this college is not an autonomous college but decent option for doing MBA specializations. Talking about the eligibility, right? It is similar to all other colleges in Karnataka, like they accept pgcet, KMAT score, and also here they accept CAT and MAT score. But the minimum criteria is saying 50% marks in your graduation, and 45% for students who are from SC category. And now talking about the specialization, so three main streams which are available here are like your finance, your marketing, your human resource management, and then you have dual specializations also available in the same fields. So you can go for finance and HR combination, you can go for finance and marketing combination, as well as human resource and the marketing combination. So good number of them are there. Now talking about the overall environment, right, in terms of industrial exposure. So they do have a good number of trips like Thermax in Pune, and many other copper corporation in Satara, Tata Motors in Hubli, right? So, and one of those other like Coimbatore kitchen equipments in Coimbatore. Many of them are there in terms of industrial exposure. And this is one of the picture of their batch, right? MBA batch. Now talking about the placements part of it, right? So placements, again, good number of mix of companies, like starting with EY, which is in the consulting space, to Indian companies like Bajaj Finserv, which is in the financial space, and then KPMG, Oracle, which are the global consultants, and then you have Kotak Mahindra Bank, which is in the banking, financial, Standard Chartered banks, and similar others, right? So good amount of companies are coming as a placement, and I will cover the student wise placement. So let's start with. So one of the best companies, EY, Ernst & Young, right? So which is one of the dream companies for many students. So they have taken around 8 students from 22 passing batch. So for all the placements which I'm going to show is 22 play batch. And then ICICI Bank, which is also one of the mass recruitment in many MBA campus, right? You can see close to 15 students they have taken from 22 batch. This is another company called Tech Meal, right? So you can see 4 students who got placed from the 22 MBA batch. This is extra marks, close to 8 to 10 students who got placed there in the education startup, right? Ed tech company, extra marks. And then you have a global company which is coming for engineering placement. They are also taking 3 students from the MBA department, right? Oracle, which is very good company. And other companies in the banking space, Kotak Mahindra, 8 to 10 students. On the package will be maybe 5 to 6 lakhs, but these are good companies. And you have another company called Demand Next, right? They are taking engineering students And apart from that, they're also taking MBA students, so one of them. Similarly, Alembic Pharmaceuticals, right? They have taken close to 20 students, out of which 7 to 8 of them are from the MBA background. So that is good placements. And then you see Profinch, another company which is mid-sized company, 2 students in the consulting space. They have taken from this college. And now further you see New Star, Apollo, Munich, one student, each of them taken from the MBA batch of 22. So this is again one more placement with the Berger Paints, and they have taken around one student 5.75 lakhs offer, which is there from the 22 batch again. And this is one more, and similar placements are there. This is Baiju, which is an education technology company, 2 students from Baiju. So similarly, there are good placements which have happened here and are providing good opportunities to students, and definitely you can look for that if you are from the Mangalore region. So that's all I have to cover now, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar placement update details.